I'm Craig Small, work at Clifton Parker and Son Limited in Dexter, Ontario. About 5 years ago, my uncle reintroduced me back into farming.
The farm was established in 1812. I enjoyed working with my father in the past, but he passed away, and now with Craig. So yeah, I'd like to pass it on to him. I really enjoy having him around.
I love where I farm because it's on the lake. A stressful day, you can look out and see the clear blue water and take some of the stress away. I was hooked from a young age farming, watching my grandfather and uncles playing with my toys and evolving into wanting to farm myself. I've always had a passion for it, always loved it. I love that I'm carrying on a family tradition and keeping the family farm going.